Need to warm up a cold basement, replace an existing wood or gas stove, or add style to a smaller room in your home? With several design options to choose from, Valor's freestanding stoves fit nearly any compact room configuration, boasting efficient, radiant heat and home energy savings. Freestanding gas stoves can be vented through existing chimneys, through the roof with new venting, or out of a side wall via a direct vent installation. Continuously warming objects in its path, a gas stove provides radiant heat that will satisfy your comfort needs while using 25% less overall energy compared to forced air systems. Like most Valor products, our stoves offer a built-in secondary heat exchanger that naturally enhances the convective heat, removing the need for a fan. Our freestanding stoves provide a variety of design styles, from traditional to modern, without sacrificing the most important Valor ingredient: efficient, radiant warmth. Paired with the installation flexibility of a freestanding stove, the resulting installation options are endless. Upgrade your home's look and feel with one of our energy-efficient, freestanding gas stoves and experience the value of Valor.